Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by setting a playable hand shape. Curve your fingers, relax the wrist, let the thumb move slightly forward for control. Practice simple 5-finger patterns and single octave scales to build evenness. This trains endurance and finger independence. Once ready, add basic triads and 1/4 inversions so your ear maps harmony. Use a metronome at 60 to 80 BPM. Play 2-bar patterns for short, focused reps. This first step gives you reliable tone and a steady technical base to build on. Now you expand coordination. Practice the left hand alone with rhythmic variety, staccato, legato, and accent shifts so it becomes self-sufficient. Once done, layer common accompaniment figures like Alberti patterns, ostinatos, and walking bass lines to internalize repetitive motion and phrasing. Then bring the right hand in, starting with simple melodies. Focus on balance so the left supports without overpowering. Make sure to practice polyrhythms, such as 3 against 2 and 4 against 3 very slowly. Finish by refining voicing and control. Focus the left hand on inner voices and bass clarity while keeping thumb support subtle. You should record a run-through to catch unevenness, then isolate troublesome 4 to 8 bar passages and loop them. Once comfortable, practice musical transitions and dynamic sweeps so the left lines breathe and lead harmonically. If you feel tension or stiffness, reduce tempo by 20 to 30% and recheck wrist alignment. This single troubleshooting step prevents injury and restores fluid technique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.